Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer, and today we're here because we're going to be unboxing my Young Living Essential Rewards order for the month of November. This unboxing is a little bit late, but better late than never. And so for those of you who don't know, Young Living is an essential oil company. However, they have more than just essential oils. They have oil-infused products for the household. They have skincare products, hair care products, products for men, women, and children. And so each month I get an essential rewards order, which basically means I'm committed to spending $50 a month on Young Living products. So each month I go in and I change what I'm going to get for the month, and sometimes I get essential oils and sometimes I get household products and skincare products, so it's all based on what my family needs. So since my order is small this month, it just came in this little bag. And so I decided to scale back this month with the holidays coming up. I always try to cut back on how much I'm spending each month on Young Living products, and then I tend to spend more of my Essential Rewards points. So I do have some items that I picked up with my Essential Rewards points that I'm going to share with you today. So the first thing inside my little bag for the month of November is my packing slip. And like I said, I only spent about $50 on the items that I got for this month. So I'm going to set this to the side. I have a tube here, but inside the tube, it's kind of funny. Normally these large tubes contain supplements, but this time it contains my acne treatment. And so this is the Young Living Maximum Strength acne treatment. It has 2% salicylic acid, and it says clears acne, blemishes, pimples, and blackheads. And so I tend to have a little bit of trouble down here around my chin line and sometimes around my nose line with getting acne. And so this is actually a newer product that they came out with. Let me read to you what they say about the Young Living acne treatment. All right, so the Maximum Strength acne treatment. It says clear acne, blemishes, pimples, and blackheads, and allow your skin to heal with this over-the-counter product developed with naturally derived maximum strength salicylic acid. Enhanced with pure essential oils, Maximum Strength acne treatment helps keep skin clear and smooth. And it says that you are supposed to cleanse the skin thoroughly before applying the product. Cover the entire affected area with a thin layer 1 to 3 times daily. So I tend to use this morning and night after I've washed my face, and then I'll moisturize on top of it. I really like that product because it helps to keep that area of my face clearer than normal. And then I have one sad little tube here. And inside, of course, I've got my favorite, one of my fall and winter favorites, Raven Essential Oil Blend. And with everything going on with the pandemic, this one is great because it's good for supporting the immune system, but it's also really good for supporting the respiratory system. And so let's read about Raven real quick. All right, so Raven comes in a 15 milliliter bottle, and it says Raven is a cleansing blend of Ravensara, peppermint, eucalyptus radiata, and other essential oils. Raven creates a cooling sensation when applied topically to the chest and throat, and its ingredients include Ravensara, peppermint, eucalyptus radiata, wintergreen, and lemon. And so this one's a great one to diffuse. I like to diffuse it at night with Thieves to help support my family's respiratory system and immune system. So you kind of get both the benefits of the support for your respiratory system with the Raven, and then Thieves is really well known for supporting the immune system. And I'm betting, if I was guessing, this is probably Thieves. I haven't looked at my order in quite a while, but yes, it is the Thieves Essential Oil Blend. And so, like I said, if I'm gonna buy anything this time of year, I usually try to get the Thieves and the Raven Essential Oils to diffuse for my family at night to help support their respiratory and immune systems. Let's read about Thieves real quick. And Thieves is super popular among the Young Living community, especially this time of year, but I like to use it all year round. And it does smell like Christmas in a bottle because of all the cinnamon bark and the clove and things like that. All right, so Thieves also comes in a 15 milliliter bottle. It says Thieves Essential Oil Blend was inspired by the legend of 4 15th century French thieves who formulated a special aromatic combination composed of clove, rosemary, and other botanicals. Thieves is a powerful blend that contains the naturally derived constituents limonene, eugenol, and eucalyptol, and the ingredients are clove, cinnamon bark, rosemary, lemon, eucalyptus radiata. And so these two, because they have the colored labels, these are labeled for diffusing, applying topically, but both of these you would have to add some coconut oil to before you apply topically. It just kind of dilutes it down to keep it from any tingling sensations or anything like that. So you can diffuse them, apply topically, or inhale directly. So I'd say those are two of my most favorite fall, winter essential oils. So that was my sad little November Essential Rewards order. So because it was so small, I did go ahead and go in and spend some of my Essential Rewards points. And so when you're a Young Living Essential Rewards member, you're committed to spending $50 a month, but what happens is you get to bank points for everything that you buy. And so I get 25% back on the total cost of the items that I spend. And so what I do is I bank those points, and then usually throughout the year, when I have a good amount of points, I will spend them in a lump sum at one time. This is the perfect time to spend them because, like I said, I try to scale back in November, December. So let's see what I got in my points order right here. And so it's funny because the bag was actually my Essential Rewards order for November, but the box is bigger and has more in it, and it's my points order. So I didn't pay for anything in this box. So there's my packing slip. And so inside, the first thing I see are these lavender calming bath bombs, and my youngest daughter loves these. It says directions: drop 1 bath bomb into a tub filled with warm water, then lie back and enjoy an amazing, luxurious bathing experience. And so let's see what the book says about these bath bombs. All right, so the lavender calming bath bombs are formulated with lavender essential oil for a calm and soothing aroma with additional key ingredients to cleanse and moisturize while also relaxing your mind and body. Drop 1 bath bomb into a tub filled with warm water, and you get 4 individually wrapped bath bombs in these bags. Next, I have something I use regularly. This is the Art Gentle Cleanser. I was getting low on this, and so I decided to add it to my Essential Rewards points order. And so it says Art Gentle Cleanser cleanses the skin with soft, gentle lather. Infused with skin-loving essential oils, your face will feel clean and refreshed with a renewed, radiant look. Apply to wet hands and with a circular motion, massage over face and neck. Rinse with warm water. Use both morning and night. This is my morning face wash that I like to use. I want to know exactly what essential oils are in here. So ingredients include frankincense, royal Hawaiian sandalwood, melissa, lemon, and lavender essential oils. And so those are some really nice essential oils in here. And then I do have a tube, but this one actually contains a supplement. I ran out of my Inner Defense supplements, and so basically this is like Thieves in a capsule form. It says Inner Defense Essential Oil Supplement, and it says Immune System Support formulated with Thieves. It says take 1 soft gel daily, or take 1 soft gel 3 to 5 times daily when needed. And so this Inner Defense contains the Thieves Essential Oil Blend, but let's read what else it contains. And since I'm in the classroom, I need the extra immune support. So it contains virgin coconut oil, oregano, thyme, lemongrass, and then it contains the Thieves Essential Oil Blend of clove, lemon, eucalyptus radiata, rosemary, and cinnamon bark. So these are just really nice to have on hand. They're just like a kind of a medium-sized gel cap. And so I take them at night. I have another little tube here. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. So this time of year, I like to get the Christmas Spirit Essential Oil Blend. I try to stock up on it in the fall months because it's perfect for diffusing. Basically, I start diffusing it really October to probably February, and then I switch back to like some spring essential oils. So let's read what it says about Christmas Spirit. It does smell like Christmas in a bottle. So both the Thieves and the Christmas Spirit smell like that. This one has a little bit of tree essential oils in it, which smells really, really nice. All right, so Christmas Spirit comes in a 5 milliliter bottle, and it says experience the positive energy of the holidays all year long with the aromas of orange, cinnamon bark, and black spruce essential oils in Christmas Spirit. And this is just a good one to diffuse. I guess you could apply it, but you would have to dilute it with like a coconut oil or the Young Living V6 vegetable oil complex, but I use it just strictly for diffusing. So this month, I only paid for the Thieves and the Raven and the Acne treatment. And then for free, I got the Art Gentle Cleanser, the Christmas Spirit, the Inner Defense, and the Lavender Calming Bath Bomb. So if you have any questions about Young Living essential oils, let me know. If you use Young Living essential oils, let me know what your favorite essential oil is. I would love to hear that. I'll leave my membership number in the description box below. You can click on the Young Living link, and then you can enter that number if you're interested in purchasing some essential oils for yourself. If you have any questions, let me know. And until next time, bye guys.